Pati mo manayin natin yung wedding gown ko. Nay, may nakalalo po magkaon. Ano mo manayin?
How the hell am I supposed to get this to go, dude? Okay, suck it in.
Yeah, it's not fit anymore.
Yeah, I really do think this is 5 years, that's all it lasted.
Oh, this is our last na.
Yeah, because I think if I zip this up, you can burst out of it.
Oh, yeah. This is our last year to wear my wedding gown na loves. It's not fit anymore. Just leave it there, one only. No need to put in the other. Okay? No need to, only one. No need to tie
You
it.
have to distribute the stress.
Ay, okay. Kung kasya. I'm sorry, loves. So I can't use this no more if I don't gonna be sexy.
Right there.
Ang kaming umunigan, di balayo eh. Hindi kami nagsukatan, tapang kami di kabayo. Whether you like it or not, you need to wear this. Okay? If I want my husband to be a cowboy na.
I'm gonna cowboy you.
Okay, Marty, okay. We're gonna be cowboy.
You can ride cowboy, yeah.
Alright. Naikabel na. Dati day kalugong nilakay ko. Mayat ya. Oh, kini na nagpintasa. Oh my god. Oh, huh?
There's Jackie. Let's go. It's beautiful though.
You got too dirty.
Oh, they are so beautiful.
Dirty or not.
Oh my god.
You see the pony before, haven't
Yeah.
How long you guys had the pony?
you? She was a baby.
Oh yeah?
Loves, can you look at me? Loves, can you?
When she was born, Ryan, she was this big.
Mhm.
Her foot up so you can get up. 1, 2, 3.
Kayak nga ta.
She said, who the hell are you? I don't know you anymore.
I fed the other one before. Yeah. Oh, cows. Hi.
Yeah, there's 2 goats.
Oh, wow.
Hey!
What are you doing, huh? Wait a minute. Woo! Party, party!
He's wanting to sport something.
Alright, they're going to hide. Okay. There are 2? Female and male? Oh, cowboy. Hi. Hello. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the hair, Loves, oh. Beautiful.
Come on.
Ah. ano sounds loves. They are silent horse now, but the black one lately, meh, you said.
Buckwheat? No wonder. I'd be pissed off if somebody called me fucking buckwheat too.
Rain, baby, LB, peanut butter.
Butter.
And then
Peanut butter?
goats, yeah. The goats are Rebel and forget what you named the other one. She's real shy.
Rain. My name is Shine. Rain or Shine? Rain as in rain? Oh, my name is Shine. Hi. Hi. I don't have. Hi. Wait, what is that? What is that? Nagdakkel. What is that? Oh my God.
Trying to test these other two ladies.
Kastagayan ka talaga. Nagdakkel. Iso mali bagbagara. Kasing dakkel ti kabayo.
There's all these women around.
Oh my God. First time to say it
Up
loud.
right.
Oh my God, Blue is coming now. Oh my God. Rain is a girl, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, are they going to ano?
There's no etlog.
Ay, no more etlog? No more. Oh, rain.